I was also an early adopter of the internet. In 1997, we created Cyber Dreamwork. Cyber Dreamwork was the first platform that where people could work together on dreams and on imagination. And so that was in the stone age of the internet, 1997. And we had groups that are still running after 22 years of same group running, working their dreams. And so there are extraordinary things that can be done with technology. Quantum computing doesn't work with a binary system. It goes faster than conventional computing because it uses quantum entanglement, which does not have the bottleneck of the speed of light, because when something happens to one electron here, something happens to spooky action at a distance, happens to an electron over there. So it could speed up dramatically, but the most interesting thing about it for us as students of the imagination is the notion of superposition. Now I have to describe to you what is superposition, because my idea is that this notion of superposition is very similar to what we call unconscious. So that we are now not dealing with two states, 0 and 1. The quantum computer deals with three states, 0, 1, and unconscious. Because the unconscious state is, if you don't look, I'm not there. That is the what it's working with, and that is superposition. And the quantum computer can use the collection of qubits, which are its bits, to correct its own mistakes. But the basic thing is that we are now dealing with a computer that is going to be based on three states, 0, 1, and so as we are dealing with these three states, it's not just going to be a faster, if we look at it from the perspective of the imagination in it, this is an imagination of three. We're no longer in a binary world when we look at quantum computing. I may be completely wrong, but this is the way that I look at it when I look at it from the perspective of imagination. This is an imagination of three. And I think that will eventually influence our world dramatically, because it's no longer an imagination of two. It is the imagination of 0, 1, and unknown.